Hey, hello, what's up guys? It's another bike video. This video is basically focused on tires because I've changed my tires. It's my first tire change actually. My stock MRF lasts about 35,000 kilometers. Now I have Michelin on both front and rear. I got this from Amazon for around 7,000 rupees total. I had gone through some other online shopping websites for a reference, and believe me guys, Amazon provides this product at the best price. I have a link in the description, make sure you check that if you're interested. As of me, it looks decent and do a great job on the roads. But I don't think that it will work that well on off-roads, because sometimes the front rubber gives a feeling that it will slide off. But don't get me wrong guys, it's only on off-road conditions. Focusing on the front, it's the Michelin Pilot Sport nylon tire. It's rough and hard and works great at higher speeds. Moving on to the rear, now it's a different story. It's wide and super sticky Michelin Radial tires, Pilot Street Radial 150/60. It's good in all conditions. I will 100% recommend this guys. It provides better off-road and wet grips. Even at harder braking, it's really stable and sticks well on the road. Overall, both the tires are good and affordable. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Anything more shall be discussed in the comment section below. Thanks for your time.